but then cleaning, but then bring the kids to school, but then cooking lunch, but then cleaning house, but then washing clothes, but then steaming abaya, all work. So tired, okay? No meet in Dubai. No, 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 I will meet you in Dubai, no problem. Hoy, my head been breath. Yeah, wait for me after 2 minutes. Wait for me now. Okay, ya Habib. Drama. See, hold this. See, يعني what man يستقل ولا بwork يعني bring to school the kids then make tea coffee then snacks then cooking then washing plates everything زيادة تعبان